do a open box review, except there's no box. I ordered this on Amazon. This is the Curt 14355 Class 4 trailer hitch, and it goes on my 2001 Ford pickup. And I'm going to show you how to install it. And basically, this is what you get when they ship it. It doesn't come in a box, so it's going to be a little bit skin up like that there. Little skint marks. It doesn't matter to me because it's going to be under my truck and it's probably going to get skin up again. So we'll be installing this and I'll be showing you how I do it. Looks like all your bolts come in this package that's wrapped around the receiver. It does come with some instructions, so this may help you out if you need instructions. I usually don't read them. So basically, you have this set up. The bolt's gonna go inside this piece of metal here, and it's gonna go inside your frame, and then you'll need this, put this nut on it. It's a size 3/4 or 19 millimeter. And it suggests removing the tire, and I think that's a good idea, so I'm gonna do that first. So basically, you stick these bolts through this piece of metal retainer thing, and you stick them in the corresponding holes. It looks like it's going to be on the frame. Here's the bumper here. So here's first hole, second hole, and looks like it's the last hole, if I'm guessing right. So 1, 2, 3. Then of course the other side's gonna be the same way. Hitch is kind of heavy, so I'm not sure I can do this by myself, but I'm gonna see if I can. Alright, so if you are doing this by yourself, I suggest pulling the tire up underneath. Like with me, I'm gonna put it on the right side of the frame, where I can kind of elevate the hitch to where I can raise this end here up to those beautiful bolts right there. And so I'll see if I can record this. I'm gonna just lay it flat on the ground and see what happens. Alright, and you can see I've got one side up. Thing's got a little bit of weight to it. I mean, then I'm going to raise the other side up and do the same thing. And I probably won't record that part. Okay, I've got those two up. And I got those two. Putting the tire up under it does a lot of help, so I would highly suggest that. I got the bolt there to go. Of course, this last bolt here. I'm going to save those for last. And go ahead and stick those on. The last bolt here, it's not really lining up good. As you can see, so I have to bend it back a little bit. I'm going to use this big, I'm going to use a big crescent here and just push it back and then push the bolt in, but I need both hands, so I can't show you that. And then you just tighten it up. Probably gonna need a deep socket. This shallow socket's running out of the shoulder. Okay, it's all tightened up. They do suggest that you tighten the bolts at 110 foot-pounds. And I appreciate you guys watching. I hope this helps you out installing the Curt Class 4 receiver hitch for a 2001 Ford pickup.